James Amundrad. Is that what we're going to think it is?
I believe so, yep.
Okay.
I'm going to say that's him.
Amundrad. I think we talked to him about doing his first figure 8.
Maybe we talked him into it. What do you think?
That's a possibility. Well, based on the points, that 26 car of Cody Armato is 32 points off the lead. Rich Schinderling is 16 points off the lead. And we'll see what that 51 car of Nick Schneider can do.
Here they go, down through the 8. They come.
And
green
off.
flag.
And here we go, figure 8 style. Cody Armato in that 26X trying to set the pace and set the tone. And look at that 51 car. Nick Schneider, the wild child, worked his way all the way up. That 78 car, Rich Schinderling, looked like he had all kinds of trouble coming around that first down as they're on lap number 1. 26 car of Cody Armato out front. The wild child in that 51 car is second. We're believing the 15A is James Amundrad. And Rich Schinderling rounding off your top 4.
Yeah, Schinderling having a really hard time trying to make that right turn rather than always making a left as he exits the track. We're down to 3.
Armato, Schneider, Amundrad. Those are your figure 8 cars, only 3. As Amundrad taking it way high, Cody Armato trying to hold off the wild child in the 51 car. It's got to be difficult driving another car if you've been in another car all day.
I would think so.
But he's handling that 51 car quite well.
His points is a real big thing for Nick Schneider as he's going to try to pass Cody Armato.
Yeah, he's the points leader. He's got the last 3 wins.
That was pretty nice of Kyle Rush to let him use that car.
I wonder if there's some sort of don't crash it, don't bang it, you're paying for it kind of scenario. Kind of like you when you wouldn't let me drive your truck out there for the spectacular drag. You think I'm going to put it in the wall, but I won't do it. I'm just going to drive hard. I'm going to drive fast, and I'm going to scare the woohoo out of you.
Maybe when it's paid off, Eric.
Okay. I like that sound. You heard that, race fans, when he said it's paid off.
Maybe.
Eric gets to drive his truck.
Maybe as Nick Schneider and Cody Armato are battling for first place. Nick Schneider usually in his 26 car, but as you saw,
take the grass side too.
As you saw in the feature, he ended up having a short night with his regular car he drives. But yeah, he was in the grass there, coming out of there. Let's see what happens here.
Trying to hold off in that 51. Definitely interesting seeing that wild child on another ride, considering he's battling his own car with that 26 in the backup. Goodness!
Wow. And Cody Armato is
not happy.
That too. Now he's rolling again. All right, he's going. Maybe. Are we down to 2? Oh, is he going to wait for him?
Yeah, he's going to. I don't know how much you're going to wait. He might try and pull off the track. I don't know what Cody Armato's doing. Oh, he's taking the wide side. He's got issues.
Yes, he does.
He hit that wall and he's checked himself out. The wild child of Nick Schneider. Of course, I don't think the hood's going to pop up on this car like it did the 26 car.
Yeah, Kyle takes pretty good care of his car from what I'm told.
They might split the winnings here or something.
Yeah, maybe. As Nick Schneider just pulls off the figure 8 win.
Yes, he does.
And that is our last race of the evening, ladies and gentlemen, as you are welcome to join us in the pits following the cars here to meet and greet your favorite driver, get the stories of what happened tonight, about everything that happened during the evening's festivities, or get down in the Miller Lite Pavilion, check out the drinks down there. Good stuff.
Karaoke as well.
Yeah, karaoke as well. Remember, next Saturday night.
Kids night.
Next Saturday night's the world famous figure 8 trailer race.
Still kids night.
Is it?
No, but not for freeness, but it's always kids night here at the Rockford Speedway.
Yes, definitely. On behalf of the entire Deary family and Eric and I, we say so long, drive safe. We will see you next week.